Well, been a little while again. What can I say? But I wanted to tell everybody there's going to be some big changes to the channel, and I mean some big old changes. Honestly, I'm tired of living in a tent. It's starting to close in on me, you know. And Quartzsite just isn't like it used to be. Too many people, and internet is too slow. Most of the time I can't even get online at all, so excuse me. So good friend of mine, Ricky Ray, and he's been a good friend of the channel practically since day one, I think 2015 or something like that. Stepped up. He's offered me a to pay some rent on a tiny house that he's got on his property in Arkansas. I've been to Arkansas quite a bit. I like it there. It's lots of green. Not so much on the pine trees a lot, but all kinds of different trees. Quartzsite is, well, it's not like it was last year. Let's put it that way. There's so many transients all over the place. The streets are crowded. Long lines at the stores. It's just a mess as far as I'm concerned. But some people enjoy that, but I don't. So it's time for me to put some roots down, I think, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm looking forward to getting back to a like you do at the home base, and odds and ends, and get all that stuff done, and start growing my veggies again. I want to do that. Get out my pottery wheel and start doing that. Actually have some place to put this stuff. I've been carrying it around in my trailer for a year, I guess, and I'm really excited about it. And Ricky is too. I think it's going to be a good fit. And he's recently on his own, and we've kind of both had about the same background. He likes to have the company, and I can, I'm just great with one or two people around. So yeah, like I said, I'm really looking forward to it. He's supposed to be here around the 8th or the 9th, and we're going to pack it all up. We're going to put my truck on a trailer. He's got a big trailer that he's going to bring with him, and we're going to put it up on the trailer and tie it all down. And my little utility trailer, we're going to tow it behind us, and it's going to work out. It's going to be a good thing, I think. So anyway, I guess that's it. I just want to do a short update, so I'll talk to you guys later.